Hey guys, today I want to show you how to replace the bulbs in the cluster or the odometer or dashboard on the Toyota Camry generation 4. This model runs from 1997 to 2001. My car is actually a 2001 Toyota Camry. So the OEM or the original light bulbs in this dashboard is all halogen green, so I'm going to replace it with white LED. To do this, you need the of course the replacement. I got this LED for the new bulb and a stubby screwdriver. So you can reach or you can remove these screws, and a plastic prying tool. You know, the plastic one, so it doesn't scratch the surface of the your dashboard. Alright, first you want to lower your steering wheel so you can get access to two screws. Okay, now that the screws are out, so you want to pull this outward. Then be careful because you don't want to damage the trim. Okay, now that the plastic trim is already out, next step will be to remove these 4 screws, which is this one right there. 1, 2, 3, and last one would be this one, 4. Okay, so now I'm going to remove the screws, these 4 screws, but be careful not to let go because it's just going to drop. Okay, be very careful. Okay, after you remove all the screws, you want to move this outward. Be very careful again. So now, you want to remove, there are 3 connections behind the odometer here. So I want to show it to you. So these 3 connections you want to remove. That, just press it down. This white one, so press it down, and this brown one. I don't know if you can see that. It's kind of, there you go. So this is the 3 connection, this blue, white and brown, by pressing this clip downward. Odometer. So these are the 5 bulbs that I'm going to be replacing. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'll be using an LED white color to replace the halogen color. So I'm gonna remove one by one. Be careful not to break the plastic socket. So this is the green halogen that I'll be removing and replacing with the LED. The LED bulbs from the packaging. So what you need to do, you just remove it from the socket and replace it with the LED, and then you can put it in the in its place, and you do it 5 times. Okay guys, so I already replace all the LEDs on these 5 spots. So I'm ready to put it back into the dashboard. So you just do it in the reverse order by first by reconnecting the connection in the back of the dashboard here. So as you remember, the brown connection goes to the right here. Okay, and then followed by the white connector in the middle. And last one is the blue one. Okay, and then you go like this, back to its opening. Then you just reinsert the 4 screws here, there, and right there, and put the plastic trim back on, and then put the 2 screws up here. Thank you for watching. Hi guys, so this is what the dashboard looks like before the bulb replacement. It's kind of dim. Guys, this is the cluster or the dashboard after the light bulbs have been removed and replaced, and this is the white LEDs that I use.